What we have today is a beautiful 29-inch bronze bell cast by the Meneely Bell Foundry in Troy, New York. This is what everybody refers to as the Meneely Troy Foundry, started by Clinton Meneely. This particular bell was cast in 1899 and shipped to Pennsylvania, Alden, Pennsylvania, as a matter of fact. Looks like it was in a Greek, Catholic, Russian church. That's an interesting combination. So it does have St. Paul's name, and it has St. Vladimir as the dedications. But it's a nice bell, very complete. I think there may be one. Nope, there are no chips. I thought I saw one on it at one time. Oh no, there is a little chip in the lip on the one side. One of the great things about this bell, if you were to purchase it, if you wanted to make it a swinging bell, it does have a really solid yoke on it. Many times we get these bells and these parts, the yoke, the A-stands, the clapper, everything's gone. On this bell, those are still here. Now obviously it looks a little rusty. You could buy it as is if you would like, but normally we would expect that you would ask us to take this bell apart, send these parts out to be sandblasted and powder coated, probably a nice medium black powder coat, and then reassemble the bell, and we can provide it with A-stands and bearings for the axle so it'll swing well. If you want a wheel, we can manufacture one of those. It did not come with a wheel or A-stands, but we can make you a wheel. We could also put a linear motor or a chain drive motor, depending on what your preference is, or an electric toller, or the combination of both. So we can help you automate the bell for automated ringing with a manual override.